Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Kaylee's online classes. Let us continuation our discussion on Unit 3 Industrial Location. In previous class, we completed Introduction to Industrial Location, Location of Industries, Localization of Industries, and Planned Location of Industries. We completed in previous class, and today we are going to next concept in industrial location. Unit number 3 is factors influencing industrial location and localization. What are the factors are directly and indirectly influencing on industrial location and localization? So today we are going to be discussion, and the factors are very important for determination of industrial location or localization at a particular region or the country. Therefore, what are the factors are influencing to select a particular area or region by the industrialist? See, those factors we can be discussion one by one. The first one is availability of raw materials. The first factors influencing on industrial location or localization is availability of raw materials. See, such raw materials are clay, water, coal, iron, ore, etc. Natural resources and man-made equipments and natural resources, and so industrial based raw materials available location will be selected by the industries to establish their industries. Therefore, availability of raw material is very important for industrial location and localization. So, even though agro-based industries, iron and steel industries, cement industries, paper industries, fertilizer industries, agro-based industries are such location, so where availability of raw materials, sugar industry for cane, jute industry for jute, and tobacco industries for tobacco farming area, and cotton area. There is textile industries. Where is available raw materials? Where is available raw material like cotton, jute, cane, and see the pulses of agro-based industries needed raw materials. And mineral resources also. Mineral resources like bauxite, manganese, silver, coal, mica, the various and different types of natural mineral resources or raw materials. Where is available raw materials, there is a location of industries. So that is where the raw materials are very important for establishing industries at a particular area or location. And second one is access to markets. See, market is very important for industrial location and localization because of nearest for perishable goods and non-perishable goods by the industries. So here the perishable goods also manufacturing by the industries. The perishable goods, the life validity is 24 hours, like milk and milk products, vegetables. See, the vegetable and milk products like perishable goods especially. So those perishable goods, so manufacturing industries are location, the very nearest of the markets. Like, so the different types of goods and services are producing by the industries, like perishable goods and non-perishable goods. The perishable goods food items, the food items and bakery items also manufacturing by the industries. So those industries are always nearest to the market area. So that area is selected by the industries to location of industries. And third one is transport relations. See, the transport relations are also very important for industrial location and localization. There are mainly two characteristics in transport relations. The first one is the cost of transporting raw materials and fuel to the factory. See, the distance between see the raw materials and fuel to the factory, transporting raw materials, the where is available raw materials and where is location industry, the what is the cost of fuel by the transport. See the how much cost will be needed by transport sector to importing raw materials from particular location to manufacturing location. The distance between factory and availability of raw material is one characteristic. Suppose the cane farmers in Karnataka and sugar industries in Madhya Pradesh, there is a very distance from transport. It will be need huge transport cost. Therefore, see the transport relations also very important. So it is very nearest to the manufacturing industry, and availability of raw material will be need less fuel. And second one is cost of transporting finished products from factory to the market. So the second characteristics of transport relations, the ready-made goods manufactured by the industry or factory, so to the market, the distance between the ready-made goods and market, it is also very nearest between the manufacturing factory and market. So will be need less fuel by the transport sector. Therefore, the transport relations also playing very important role in location and localization of industries. And next one is power resources. So power is also one of the essential and very important factor of influencing industrial location and localization. So in India, the power has been generated by the coal industries, wind industries, water resources and solar resources. See, the present modern day India is enough to generation power to the industries. Because of the industries, backbone is power. All industries and machineries without power will not be run. Therefore, the power will be availability. So where there is availability of power, there is a location and localization of industries. See, however, the resources of power either will be wind power, coal power, solar power, water power, so generated by the governments to allocation power to industrial sector. So where there is availability of power, there is a location of industries and localization of industries. So then the labor availability. See, the labor is also one of the very important factor of influencing the location of industries and localization of industries. See here, the industries are requiring skilled laborers also and unskilled laborer also. See, the skilled laborers and unskilled laborers for engage in physical work and skilled laborers are engaged in skillful works. See, the human resources, where there is a available human resources, there is a location of industry and industrial location and localization. So therefore, adequate supply of labor with a cheap wage rate, where there is adequate level of laborers are available with cheap wage rate. There is a location and a localization of industries. So therefore, in a particular area, the Pachim Bengal and Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, see then Maharashtra, so are most maximum percentage of labor supply in those states. Therefore, there are so number of industries are location. And the second one is site and resources. See, the primary factor of production is very important for location and localization of the industries. Because of a primary factor is land. So without land, the industries are not construction and not established. Therefore, availability of land area by the government to industrial sector. See, easily availability of site and land, the whatever requirement by the industrial sector. So therefore, the where there is a availability of sites and land is very important. And then one is services of public sector enterprises. Like public sector enterprises, utilities, see like communication, like transport sector, and so railway transport, see then communication, then information, so also needed by industrial location. See the marketing facility, financial facility, communication facility. See, therefore, the public sector utility is also very important for requirement of the industrial location and localization. So throughout the world. So then the financial facilities. The financial facilities also very important for influencing industrial location and localization. The financial support by the government through the commercial banks, scheduled banks, commercial banks, and industrial banks also. See, the availability of finance is should be with cheap rate of interest and adequate amount to industrial sector. Because of here three categories of industries: small scale industries, medium scale industries, and large scale industries. The adequate financial support by the government and the banking sector is also very important for location of industries and localization of industries. And next one is nature and climatical conditions. Nature is also very important. See, especially we call it topology. The topology is nothing but the study of environment. The environment, see, in summer days, winter days, and rainy season. See, the whole 12 months rain falling is not good condition of the industries, and whole 20 months summer is also adverse effect. So therefore, the topology, the weather condition of climate is good for fit for the industries. There is a location of industries. For example, see the climatical change. So because of laborers are not fit for environment, so they should be resigning the work. So therefore, the climatical change and climatical condition of factor is also one of the important to determination of industrial location and localization. See, then the personal factors. Personal factors is also very important of location and localization of industries. Because of in which one country the entrepreneurs are ability to take risk and ability to take preference and ability to take willingness and desire is also very important. See, the without entrepreneurs or industrialists or investors, there is no industrial location and localization. Therefore, in which countries the human resource in the form of entrepreneurs, they are always so thinking like investing and manufacturing goods and services. Their preference and taste of establishing industries and risk bears and risk takers and risk lovers of entrepreneurs are very essential for industrial location and industrial development also. Therefore it is also one of the important factor of location and localization of industries. And last one is strategical considerations. See the strategical consideration of the country. For example, circumstance of war, circumstance of diseases like natural calamities and man-made calamities, man-made activities. See, man-made activities like so violence activities by the by the people. See, the strike of the people and so violation activities by the people and war during the war. See, the war between the nations, that strategical condition is not fit for location of industry and industrial localization. Therefore the strategical condition is also one of the important factor of location and localization of industries. So here the 10 factors are very important for location of industries and localization of industries. In recently India was enacted the fresh land acquisition bill for industrial sector. See, the easy availability of land and cheap rate of land is very important for industrial location and localization. In modern India, in modern industrial sector, the government of India has been allocating and so supplying all types of factors to location of industries and localization of industries like financial facilities, the raw materials, market, transport, power facility and labor availability, site services, land service, site service, financial facilities, nature and climatical condition is very good for India, and personal factors, see, and strategical consideration. So also measuring, also determining or influencing so industrial location and localization. And one more, our famous engineer of India, Sir M. Vishwesvaraya, in his book Prosperity through Industry. See, in the year of 1934, Sir M. Vishwesvaraya was written. The book name is Plan or Perish. In 1934 was that Plan or Perish for Indian Development. See, the planning also he was written a famous book. And here also what are the factors of factors influencing industrial location, he was so mentioned in his book Prosperity through Industry. So he was suggested following needs the 6M formula. The 6M formula is the very powerful formula for industrial location or localization by the suggestion of Sir M. Vishwesvaraya. So in his book Prosperity through Industries. And 6 formula are, see, the first M is money, material, man, machinery, motive, power. Money, material, man, machinery, motive, power. 5M. See, the money, man, machinery, motive, material, or 5M formula was suggested by Sir M. Vishwesvaraya to establishing at a particular place. See, number of industries are existing because of availability of all factors. Let me stop. We shall continuing our discussion with least cost theory of Weber's.